everybody, welcome back to my channel. Well, it is graduation time and I want to show you a very cute mini album, wallet album, that albums in fact, because as you can see I have two that I think are really useful if you want to give the, let's say, grandparents of the graduate or even the graduate himself to carry on their purses, and to be able to show those wallet pictures that you get when they do the photo shoot for the yearbook and then graduation photos. So this is really easy, and you can make a lot of them if you have. You can give them as favors in the graduation party. So it's something that you can do very quickly. Let me show you. You only need one 12 by 12 page for each one, and look how cute they are. They are not accordion. You will prepare them as accordion, but then you're going to adhere the sides so you can open them as mini albums. You can see this one is from my son's graduation, my youngest son, and this one is for my daughters. This one was for high school, from high school, and this is college graduation. As you can see, it's something that is really cute, and is a great present for the grandparents or the attendees to the party, and can be made in a breeze. So let me show you what it is all about. As I said, you need a 12 by 12 page that you are going to cut in half first. So it's 6 inches. I don't want to be out of frame as I usually do in my videos. So let's say here. So this is the same line. Okay, let's cut this in half. Of course, it has to be a double-sided page, otherwise it doesn't work. You need both sides, because both sides are going to be seen. Then you will choose the side you want to be on the cover, and that is how you're going to decide where to make the foldings. Oh, I don't know why I mark with a pencil if there is a line already in the design. Okay. Well, now you're going to fold each piece at the mark of 3 inches. Like here. And here. So you will, I want this side to be the front of the cover, so I'm going to fold it this way. I'm still in frame? Yes. Where is the mark? Here. I think it's not 3 inches. I'm lying to you. Let me take 2 inches. I'm glad I checked, because It didn't sound, it was going to be half, folded in half, and that's not the intention. Sorry. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to fold where I marked with pencil. Like so. And now I'm going to fold it in half just to make the marks. Then we are going to fold it in the other direction, but just to have the first marks. Okay, now that I have the marks, what I'm going to do is I'm going to adhere this. You know where the mark is? You have to adhere this to make the pocket for each page. Oh, I'm running out of adhesive. Let's pray that I'll have enough to finish this project. Now I have my pockets for the pictures. So this is the cover, so this goes this way. But this one has to go this way. And this one this way. And I have to do the same with the other half. So again, I'm going to mark 2 inches. Here. And here. And I'm going to fold it. Again, I fold it in half. And here. And here. Now in the other direction. Like so. We have a little problem here. Here we go. It's not perfect because, as I always say, when you do things live on camera, nothing goes as it's supposed to go. So again, I'm going to make my folders. Sorry, my pockets. Very, very quickly, as you can see. And now it's a matter of adhering every single back side. I like to use tacky glue for this kind of projects because it lasts longer than the adhesive dispenser. So this is what I'm using right now. You see, I have the first half of the mini album. Now I'm going to add this one to this one. Here we go. Well, it seems I didn't measure it perfectly, so again, when you do things on camera, something goes wrong all the time. But anyways, doesn't matter, I'm going to cut this part and the problem will be solved. Okay. I have tacky glue everywhere. Okay. I'm not going to cut this part here because it's going to be a mess and it's hard to do this on camera, as I said. But let's pretend it's just for you to see how fast you can make one of these albums. Then it's a matter of adding the pictures. Again, I'm out of frame as usual. And adding all the embellishments you want. Of course, you can make it an accordion album. I like how it looks like a mini book. That's why I adhered these sides. You have to let it dry before doing anything else, and then you go on to decorate all the pages, the cover and all the pages with embellishments. I decided to place the pictures, adhering them before to a matting paper for them to be a little bit more fancy. And I just use stickers that you can buy anywhere. And here you have them. I adhered a piece of ribbon. That's what I don't. Of course, this was 2007, so that's what I don't look up and don't like about this kind of adhesives. That after a while, I don't know why they take this color, you know. But well, I probably change it later. But I adhere this because, you know, it looks much better when you tie a bow to close it. And as I say, as a favor, as a present for the grandparents, even for you to have one in your wallet or in your purse to brag to family and friends. Okay, nowadays, we just show pictures on the phone, but I don't know, I like this kind of things. And people like this kind of things when I show them the pictures in this way instead of the phone. And this idea can be used for whatever you want. I made this one, as you can see, with pictures, one picture for each Christmas. from, I think it's 2003. I use tags that are pre-printed and different embellishments through 2010. And you can do the same for Christmas, for new baby, birthdays, you name it. It's a matter of letting your imagination fly and then you can make these albums for yourself as a present and as favors, as I said. You can see I didn't lie you. They are really easy to make and quick. That's something I like. Instant gratification. I love starting a project and finishing it as soon as possible. Let me show you this one. You can see the different embellishments and the matting papers. I need more adhesive here and here. That's why I prefer tacky glue. I should have used tacky glue in the pockets also. And I like distressing with chalk inks the borders of the matting papers and the mini albums. So this is a project that you can make in an evening, an afternoon. And I think it's really cute. I like them very much. Hope you like them too. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And thank you so much for watching. Hope you will have a wonderful day and also hope I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.